In this video, I will show you briefly how to access our front-end page and how to access data from the front-end. Access to our front-end requires the use of a browser. Here, I will use Chrome to demonstrate. If you are not in campus and using the university network, you will need to connect to the Unimelb VPN to access our front page. Once you have linked to the VPN, you can simply type the web address into your browser and open it. In the front page, we can see a navigation bar with 4 buttons. These 4 buttons shows the 4 scenarios of our data analysis. That is, how many Twitter related to coffees? Where are the coffee-related tweets? How many coffee-related tweets are there in Mastodon? And whether the location of coffee-related tweets is clustered in the area with a lot of cafes. Let's look at them one by one. If you click into Coffee in Twitter button, you can see the overall situation of coffee-related tweets and the result of their sentiment analysis. If you want to know which city or districts have the most coffee-related posts, just click on the relevant button. So here in this table, it shows the overall data that is related to our analysis. If I click here, it will show the top 10 cities that carries the most number of coffee-related tweets. I also present the top 20 districts with the most number of coffee-related tweets. If you want to search for coffee-related tweets by state and city, click on Twitter scales in areas. You can find the information by selecting the name of the state and the name of the city you want to search for. If I want to search for Melbourne, I should click Victoria first. So in this table, it shows all cities in Victoria and their relevant data. Next, I click Melbourne here. Now it shows all districts in Melbourne and their relevant data in this table. Now, let's click the Mastodon and Twitter button. Clicking this button, you will see the total number of data of the coffee-related tweets in Mastodon, as well as the sentiment analysis results. Here, I use a bar chart to compare the percentage of the post with different sentiments on 2 social media platforms. Interestingly, in Twitter, most of the tweets are neutral, while in Mastodon, none of the tweets are neutral, and most of them are negative. From here, we can see that around 75% of tweets is neutral, but there is no neutral tweets in Mastodon, and nearly 99% of the Mastodon tweets are negative. In the last scenario, we try to analyze whether users tend to post coffee-related tweets in the area with more coffee shops. We found the location data of the coffee shops in central Melbourne from Sudo and display it on map along with the location of the coffee-related tweets. You can see this map by clicking on Map of Twitter and Sudo. The purple dot in the map represents the location of the coffee shops. The orange color heat map represents the location of coffee-related tweets. From this map, we can observe that people do tend to post coffee-related tweets in places where cafes are clustered. On the other map, I've used the red color for positive tweets and green color for negative tweets. It looks like there are a little bit more negative tweets than positive ones in Melbourne City. That's all of the front-end functionality demonstration. Thank you.